The only little good things you do, they make me no. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Baby, come.
What's up, vlog? We back with another video. It's your girl Diani, and I'm with.
Hey, what's going on, vlog?
This is a quick video. We just gonna show you guys how we season our chicken. That's it. Just how we season our chicken. We just did a video, me and Malia, with the Cheetos hot flaming chicken tender. Y'all watch that video soon. It's gonna be dropping soon before this video. But let's get into it. Since we was doing the cooking videos and we had some chicken to be seasoned, they decided to just season up the chicken tonight, and I'm just gonna show you guys what we're doing. All right. And what's up? It's been a while. How you guys doing? All right. So we already cleaned the chicken with some lemon and everything, guys. Lemon juice, vinegar, salt, all that, and some hot water. So we did that, and now he just added some. What you add in here so far?
Just mustard.
Just mustard.
Yeah, just mustard.
Alright, so he just added the mustard. And make sure you clean your chicken, guys. Next time we're going to show you how we really clean our chicken. This was just a quick little tutorial on how we do our chicken. Alright, so he already have his seasoning in this bowl. You want to let them know what you have in the bowl, what you're mixing together?
Just a bunch of seasoning.
What do you have in it?
Salt, pepper,
Paprika,
Maggi, seasoning, and a whole other lemon thing, Marinating.
He also had this,
Yeah.
we add that in there.
So just let it sit, just to marinate.
And some slap your mama and all that.
Yeah.
And his iffies. Just a quick little tutorial, guys. All your seasoning marinate into your meat. Y'all see that? Get that into your meat. Rub that in there. Every bite will be flavorful. Yeah. Get some. Alright, so that's what we have here. And this chicken is not going to be cooked till Sunday, guys. So it's going to be marinating till Sunday. Today is Friday night. And we're going to have this marinate till Sunday. Alright.
That's pretty much it.
That's the chicken, guys. Quick marinade. And we're going to cover that with a plastic bag in this bowl. Or put it in a Ziploc bag and let it sit overnight. So, yeah. That's that video. We just wanted to show you guys a quick little video on how we marinate chicken.
So just let you know.
Yeah.
Marinate them.
So stick around for the next tutorial on how to marinate something or cook something. If you want to see us cook something, you know, Steven and Tiani, we are always in the kitchen.
Always.
But on our channel over here, you know, let us know, comment down below what you would like to see us cook in the kitchen, guys. And just, you know, just, I guess, yeah, just, you know, stick around. Let us know what's going on, what's good, what we could do in the kitchen for you guys, and what you guys would like us to do or see us do in the kitchen. So comment down below. All right, so later. Peace.
The only little good things you do, they make me no. This distance is taking a hold of me for sure. Baby, come.